So it would have cost quite a bit to connect to the power company. So we decided the better option was to be off-grid and make our own power. We try to save money anywhere we can. So Ron and Justin got busy building the structure to hold our solar panels. The panels went up pretty quick, and before we knew it, we had power. I am grateful to have a husband who knows how to do so many things, and to have a son who helps us at the drop of a hat. Our solar has been up and running for a few weeks now, and we're able to do everything a household that is hooked to the grid can do. We just do most of it while the sun is shining. I hope you continue to join us on our journey. And we'll see you next time.